Red Dirt Designs. Invest in yourself.
Today we're going to turn my boring shadow box with my silver collection into something a little more fun. I'm going to light it up and put some glass etch on it. I'm going to start by opening this up so I can get in here and install the lights. For this project, I'm just using these cheap LED Christmas lights because we had a Christmas light clearance. So this was 50% off, so it was like $2 for this little light setup. It's good to use a battery operated so you don't have to run an extension cord up to it. But if I wasn't on a budget, I'd say just get a good set of rope lights that diffuse the light a lot more evenly. These lights are not very low profile and they tend to not diffuse the light as well. But for this project, I think it'll do just fine. Here I'm using a razor blade to clean up all the glue that got all over the glass. Still need to cut a groove for our wire to fit through, so I'm just going to cut a little groove with my Dremel tool. Now that my groove's cut, I can run my wire through, and I'm just going to use a little bead of hot glue over the top just to seal it in there. Here you can install your battery pack. You can put it on top or on the side. There's not enough room really on the back because it's so bulky, so I'm just going to hot glue it to the side. As masking for my glass etch cream, I'm using removable vinyl by Cricut. I'm going to be using my Cricut Explore Air 2. And I'm going to run my dial on the vinyl setting. Now we're going to weed our project, and then we're going to use a transfer film to transfer this image to the front of our glass. Once I've placed my image where I'd like it, I'm going to go ahead and press it down and mask off the rest of the glass. This glass etch is pretty straightforward. Step 1, you can use it on any glass object. Brush it on in a thick layer and leave it set for 1 to 3 minutes. And then at the end, we need to rinse it off with running water. Once I'm finished brushing this on, I'm going to set my timer on my phone for 3 minutes. If you hadn't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. And if you like this video so far, please smash the like button. Thank you. Now we're just going to wash this image off with running water outside. I'm trying really hard to make sure I keep it just on the front, not on the rest of the project. I had to apply heat to get this removable vinyl to peel because it's winter outside and it caused my vinyl to get extremely brittle from the cold. To get rid of some of this residue from the vinyl, I had to use a little bit of paint thinner on a rag and it was able to come right off. These are the first 5 coins of the Silver Bullet Silver Shield collection, and I was lucky enough to be able to get them when they first came out, before that mint actually shut down. Here it is, all lit up. Love the look of the glass etch, kind of illuminates it. Looks really good and professional. I'm happy with the way it turned out. I can't wait to get the rest of my coins in here.